One time.
Can I see your phone again?
Last. Okay. May game. Last. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Good. Five. No. Baka yung choco ba dyan ah? No.
Oo nga, no? Shit. Pa.
Last. Box.
Pa.
Ulul!
45.
45 plus 125.
Ibo ka na, Paul. Nalabas ka ba?
Wala na ako pupuntahan. Ito wala ako sa amin.
Ha? May, wrap up the game.
Yep.
Child.
A fashion show one for FUBU in school that it was the Export Management Society that handled the for this seminar. So the fashion show. So and I was one of the officers. So yes, we did a successful FUBU fashion show. So, yes. In college, the only accomplishment I can have probably is graduating college itself, because I didn't really participate so much in extracurricular activities except for the organization that I had, which is the Export Management Organization. Pardon me, ma'am?